Naku po mga kababayan, pakinggan ho natin itong pahayag ni General Macanas patungkol sa ICC. Sabi niya dito, mga ICC judges nagpakulong kay PRRD, inabutan ng matinding karma. Halaka mga kababayan, kinarma na. Eto, pakinggan natin ang pahayag ni General Macanas mga kababayan.
Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Ito, sabi nga ni BP Sara, ang gaba, dili magsaba.
Tama.
Bigyan natin ng reaction, opinion ngayon itong payag ng isang ICC judge, si Judge Luz Carranza. Nako, hirap na sila ngayon. Hirap siya at sinabi niya, pati daw mga kapwa niya judges, hirap dahil sa parusa na iginawad ng US government sa kanila, plus itong bago pa, yung Russia. Sinintensya ng Russian government ang chief prosecutor at saka 8 ICC judges.
Nako.
Arrest warrant. Nako, baka dukutin sila ng mga Russian operatives.
Nako.
Kung nasaan sila
Yari na.
dukutin, dalhin
Makaganti
sa
na.
Russia at
Makaganti na
ikulong.
si
Kasi
PRRD.
mayroon ng meron ng arrest warrant yung mga judges na yan. Dahil sa ginawa nila kay President Putin. Nako, delikado sila.
Nako.
Two most powerful countries, including China na rin. Ayaw sa US, ayaw sa ICC, pinaparusahan. Russia, ayaw sa ICC. China, nagrereklamo din sa ICC dahil sa ginawa nila kay Tatay Digong. Kaya, there will always be a day of reckoning, mga kaibigan. Ang hustisya darating at darating para sa ating Tatay Digong. Nakakarma na sila. Pakinggan natin ang nakakalungkot, natatakot na ICC Judge Luz Carranza.
To block property and to ban immigration. And essentially, they are intended to block our bank accounts, not only in the United States, which for me is of no significance, but also in Europe.
Europe.
But the thing is that in Europe, the accounts we have are in European banks that normally should work independently from any policy from the United States. So at the beginning, I was called from the bank, I wouldn't say the name now, to announce me that they were canceling my credit card.
Yun.
And that I couldn't move any bank account in dollars. I couldn't touch it because they are like kind of freeze.
Freeze.
Well, and then we discovered that I couldn't make even an Uber. I couldn't ask even an Uber meal or an Uber taxi. I couldn't use Western Union, where normally I send money to my country for the maintenance of my house. Simply, Western Union has freezed my money without any explanation. They don't receive calls. They don't say nothing. Simply, it's done. But the most interesting thing or terrible thing here is that the sanctions are not only against us, the judges, for our job, but against our families.
Families.
In my case, they affected also my daughter's visa. I have a daughter who is
Pati daughter.
a high-level professional also.
Very easy, Gaba.
They sent an email to her saying that prudently they have canceled her visa
Yun.
without any explanation.
Yun.
So to the United States. So prevented her to go in for some capacity building, giving conferences or making business in United States. She's an international lawyer. So it's really the most sad part for me of the sanctions. And also I have heard from my colleagues that the sanctions have affected their husbands, their wives,
Yeah.
Nako.
etc.
Gaba.
Tignan daw.
This is the most, this is the worst part. For
The
me,
worst part daw
I
sa
don't
kanya.
have, I come from Peru in Latin America, and we are not so used to have these digital accounts. I don't have PayPal, I don't have Amazon accounts, but my colleagues, they have, and they now cannot use their accounts. Also, in my country, I cannot move my accounts in dollars. They say that I am ineligible to move my accounts, my own accounts. So this is This is the way we cannot buy flight tickets, etc. Just to highlight that why the judges now and this court is not deterred, because at least in my case, and I think that I am speaking for my colleagues, we don't think, at least me, I am not here because I need the job. I'm not here because I need the money. I'm here because I feel that I have a mission for humanity. The work of the International Criminal Court is for humanity, as Nelson Mandela said. The cause of the International Criminal Court is the cause of humanity. And this is why we are resilient, and this is why we need not only to stand together as judges, but the entire international community needs to do that. Because as such, we are working also, as always, for peace and global security. But still, I am Latin American. Still, I am Peruvian. So
Peruvian.
We are very resourceful people in my country. So I'm having my strategies which I want to reveal. But it is true that living in Europe, where you don't use digital, you don't use cash, it's very difficult to come
Yeah.
out. But none of this or deterred us as judges, because those sanctions are designated to attack our independence as judges, and we are not giving up our independence. As judges, we are more united than ever, and we are carrying out
So yun, natutuo na yung kasabihan na ang gaba dili magsaba, kasi umiipikto na pala ang mga sanctions ng United States
Nako.
sa mga ICC judges, prosecutors, staff, hindi na makapag-withdraw ng pera.
Aray.
Frozen ang kanilang mga bank accounts, hirap na, hindi na makabili ng plane tickets, pati pamilya apektado, cancel ang mga visa. Ay nako.
Kinarma na,
So,
no? So, kinarma na, mga kababayan, no? Napansin ko lang talaga, no? Simula nung, si former President Duterte ay dinala dito sa ICC. Kinarma na itong mga judges, no? At nagsunod-sunod na yung kamalasan nila. Pati itong US, sinanction sila. Pati itong si President Putin ay gusto na silang damputin. Nako, mga kababayan. Sunod-sunod na pati mga pamilya, no, na apektuhan na, asawa, pati yung mga bank account nila, hindi na daw makabili ng mga plane ticket, sabi dito ni General Macanas, mga kababayan. So, panoorin pa natin.
ito na ang mas matindi, yung Russian court decision na arestuhin ang mga ICC judges na nag-issue ng warrant of arrest kay President Putin. Nako, kayang-kaya yan ng mga Russian operatives kung gustuhin nilang nila. Kaya takot nang magbiyahe-biyahe. At ang ating Tatay Digong, pagdasal natin, there will always be a day of reckoning, sabi niya sa atin. Kaya wag po tayong mawalan ng pag-asa. Makakalabas. Ako, araw-araw ko siyang pinagdarasal, makakalabas ng buhay ang ating Tatay Digong. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyo.
So, ayun, mga kababayan, anong masasabi nyo dito, no? Sa nangyayari sa ICC. Sunod-sunod na karma, no? US, Russia, pati ang China, mukhang nagsasanib puwersa na dahil dito sa mga ginagawa ng ICC ay talagang matindi itong nangyayari sa kanila. Nagsasanib puwersa na ang tatlong malalaking bansa para itong Russia umaksyon na rin at aarestuhin na itong mga ICC judges, no? Sabi nga dun sa kanina, 15 years daw na pagkakakulong, mga kababayan. Nako, delikado ito. Kapag ito'y pagala-gala itong mga judges ng ICC, yari kayo, dadamputin na lang kayo basta-basta ng mga Russian army. Nagot kayo. So ano masasabi nyo mga kababayan dito sa pahayag sa balita galing kay The General's Viewpoint, no? At yun, narinig natin, no, yung pahayag ng isang judges ng ICC. So talagang kinarma na sila at talagang pati pamilya apektado na mga kababayan. So mag-comment kayo, mag-like at mag-subscribe sa ating video. At sa mga bagong pasok dyan, pasubscribe din po ng ating channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat mga kababayan.